this will blow your dirty little mind. And first, we have the one and only Johnny Knockout, a professional wrestler wearing the 7 deadly sins black t-shirt extraordinaire. Please come closer, everyone. Take a look at this sexy figure of a Greek Adonis right here before your eyes, ladies. Look at this man. He is the model with the most. He is your Greek Adonis for the evening, Johnny Knockout. Let's give it up for him. Thank you, darling. And now, let's welcome to the stage another professional wrestler who will take, oh, wait! I can't even take it. I must introduce you to someone that will make you laugh and make you smile and make you laugh, wearing the mirrored sunglasses. You guys might know him from VH1. You might know him from that metal show. Oh my God. He's mind-blowing. He's memorable. He's famous. And he likes the Olive Garden. His name is Don Jamieson from that metal show. He is fantastic. And he is modeling for Wicked Threads. He is angry. He is lustful. He is deceptive. He is greedy and he's gluttonous. And he's funny as all fuck. If you've seen his show, you would know this man, Don Jamieson, modeling for Wicked Threads. He is mental incarnate. He is metal. And if you look up